Love can be a freeway or an Indy race car track. Sometimes you just cruise along and sometimes you just crash. When I first got to know you, I was itching for a ride, but you're always breaking down and running out of line. Riding on the shoulder on this highway all alone, and all your tires are flat, both of your headlights gone. I always fill you up, but you just exhaust. I got a new road coming on, so here's where you get off. Well, I've had my share of danger that the curves of love can bring. I've wrecked a few Cadillacs and had a few wreck me. When I first met you, you were a Rolls Royce, new and white. But now you're always smoking, and it's taking off your shine. Riding on the shoulder on this highway all alone, and all your tires are flat, both of your headlights gone. I always fill you up, but you just exhaust. I got a new road coming on, so here's where you get off. I got a new road coming on, so here's where you